How to change or update your profile picture and cover art on ConnectYu. Changing or updating your ConnectYu profile picture and cover art keeps your account up to date, makes it look good, and enables friends to find you easily. To change or update your ConnectYu profile picture and cover art, proceed as follows. The case for mobile. Click on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. After clicking, you will find a drop-down menu. Scroll down on the menu, and click on Settings. Scroll down on the Settings page and click on Design. After clicking on Design, you'll find a drop-down menu with two alternatives: Design and Avatar and Cover. To change your design, click on Design and select Background to set your ConnectYu background using an image. Additionally, you can fully design your profile by uploading your own CSS file. To do this, click on the CSS file option. Click on the Save button to save your changes. In a likewise manner, click on Avatar and Cover. Click where you find the camera icon to change your avatar or profile picture. Also, click on the photo holder area to change your cover art or cover photo. After that, click the Save button to save your changes.